Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in my favorite place, Ruiru Kiambu. To be specific, we are in Ruiru Matangi, a locality called the Ambassador. This is a court of 16 units, and this unit specifically is a 3-bedroom flat-roofed single ensuite bungalow with a plinth area of 135 square meters. This home has been built on a 40 by 60 plot of land and the price is 7.5 million. This home comes with a sliding gate, a car parking for 2, and a staircase that will take you to the roof deck. Let me take you inside. I like it that this home comes with a sunken living room, a concept that is mostly found in the posh houses. I like the openness of this living room to the front yard and the parking area. The size of this living room is standard for a normal 3-bedroom bungalow, and I like it that this space is sufficient for an 8 to a 10-seater couch. The electronics area of this home is on this side, and I'm fascinated by how it has been molded because it reminds me of my favorite weightlifter. From there, I want you to take a few seconds and admire the craftsmanship of this gypsum ceiling. I like it and I'm very happy because this developer has a sense of taste. The lighting of this living room is on another level and I'm delighted to brighten your mood. If you're still not happy, kindly comment below and I'll send you a slap. On my opposite side, this living room opens to the dining area and this dining area opens to the kitchen. This dining area would easily fit a 6-seater or an 8-seater dining table. The dining area comes with a massive window that floods this space with a ton of light. The dining area also comes with its wash basin on this side, and on the other side, it opens to the kitchen. At the entrance of the kitchen, you have a breakfast table, and before I show you the kitchen, just have a look at the dining lighting. Very beautiful, right? The kitchen of this home is very well done, and if you enjoy cooking, this is the space for you. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and here you have your sink area. Next to the sink area, you have this door that takes you to the laundry area and the clotheslines area. This kitchen comes with this space that has been set aside for your cooking stove, and above it, you have an extra storage. I like it that this kitchen comes with several drawers for your crockery and your cutlery, and this exit goes to the pantry of this kitchen. The pantry is of a standard size and it comes with several shelves here for your dry foods. Here is where you do your refrigerator, and as I told you, this door will take you to the laundry area. This is the laundry area, and as you can see, this space is big enough for your washer and dryer. On my left hand side, you have your clotheslines area, and on my right hand side, on that far end, you have a space for your gas cylinders. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of this home. On my left hand wing, you have the primary bedroom, and on my right hand wing, you have the 2 kids' bedroom. We'll start with this side. The second bedroom is the smallest, and it comes with its closet here and a very well done gypsum ceiling. This room is sufficient for your small kids or your employee, and the closet is on this side. This closet is just similar to the one that I'll show you in the first bedroom. The only difference is that this one comes with this space that was supposed to be molded to be a dresser. I'll show you the first bedroom. From the second bedroom, you have the common area, and in this space, you have the washroom and the bathroom. At the entrance of these 2 spaces, you have a wash basin, a mirror, and a shaving light. This is the common washroom of this home, and also it doubles as a shared toilet to these 2 bedrooms. As you can see, this washroom comes with all the necessary fixtures that you require, and next to it, you have the bathroom. The bathroom is of a standard size, big enough for an average person, and it comes with a toothbrush holder, a towel holder, and a shower. This is the first bedroom. This bedroom is slightly smaller than the bedroom that I just showed you, but it comes with a similar closet. I like it that this bedroom faces the front side of this home. Another fun fact about this bedroom is that it comes with a differently molded gypsum ceiling. The closet of this bedroom comes with spaces here for the hangable clothes, a similar space here, and you have some sectioned part there for the shoes. In addition, you have two drawers down there. I'll take you to the primary bedroom. From the kids' bedroom, the primary bedroom is on the other side. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest window, the biggest closet, and the biggest bathroom. In addition to that, I would like you to see the lighting of this room. Very romantic, right? The closet is sufficient for you and your partner, and I like it that one side can be used by you and the other side can be used by your partner. At the center here, you have a sectioned part that can be used for the foldable clothes, two drawers down there, and at the end here, you have a space for the shoes. I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom comes with all the standard amenities that you may require, a wash basin here, a water closet, and behind this door, you have your showering area. That's all for this bedroom. Before we end the tour, I'll take you to the rooftop for some beautiful views. The roof deck covers a space of 135 square meters, and this space is sufficient for all your parties and all your barbecue dinners with your friends. From there, you can see that the roof deck is very well lit, and it gives you the best views of this area. And that's all for this roof deck. We have come to the end of the tour, and I'm very sure you have enjoyed. If you have 7.5 million, at least you know where to spend it. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye-bye.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capping space. I won't stop till I hear him say